Welcome to IoT tutorial. In these sessions, we are discuss about Internet of Things. Anything that can be connected will be connected. IoT or Internet of Things, as is most popularly known, is one of the greatest phenomena of this century. It gains a lots of popularities, and in today's session, we will getting an idea of IoT. IoT is influencing our life and our lifestyle, from the way we react to the way we behave, like a smart car providing a shortest path, air conditioner that you can control with your smartphone, or a smartwatch, which is tracking your daily activities. Now, how exciting the journey of IoT is.